Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have PlayStation Razer Hammerhead HyperSpeed headphones and I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So we have to begin with doing this, and here, as you can see, are our headphones itself. Below that we have a cable. As I can see, it's USB Type A to Type C cable. And below that we have some box, and let's check what's inside this box. Here, as I can see, are ear tips, and here is user manual. As I can see, something is inside. Here, as we can see, is adapter, USB Type C adapter. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.